In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all order history in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review every purchase and receipt linked to your account, which is especially handy for budgeting, reimbursements, or tax time. First, open your web browser and head to Google. Type GoDaddy, then select the official GoDaddy website from the search results. Make sure you're on the legitimate site by looking for the secure padlock in the address bar and the correct domain before you proceed. Once you're on the GoDaddy homepage, sign into your account. Use your usual login details and complete any two-step verification if it's enabled on your profile. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your username or profile icon. Click that to open your account menu. If you manage multiple profiles, confirm you're in the correct one before moving forward so you see the right billing data. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This is your central hub for profile details, security, billing, and more. It's the quickest path to the tools you'll use to review your purchases without digging through different product pages. Inside Account Settings, find and select Order History. This will take you directly to your Billing and Receipts area. Depending on the layout you see, it may be labeled Order History or Receipts, but both lead to the same place where your transactions live. Here, you can view your entire order history. You'll typically see a list that includes the order date, order number, item or product description, amount paid, and status. Use the available filters or date range options to narrow down your results if you're looking for something specific, like last quarter's renewals or a one-time purchase from earlier in the year. If there's a search field, try entering a domain name, product name, or order number to jump right to a particular transaction. Click on any individual order to see more details, such as line items, taxes, and the payment method used. For bookkeeping, look for options to print or download the receipt. Most pages will let you save a PDF for your records. If you have subscriptions or auto-renewals, keep in mind that some charges may be grouped by billing cycle, so open each entry to confirm what's included. If you don't see an expected order, double-check that you're signed into the correct customer account. You can also try refreshing the page, clearing your browser cache, or switching browsers. And if something still doesn't look right, contact GoDaddy support through their help center. Never share your password or sensitive details in public channels. That's it. You've signed in, opened account settings, selected order history, and reviewed your purchases and receipts with confidence.